SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a prominent company that specializes in providing PEB, pre-engineered building, design services in Ranchi. With their expertise and experience, they have become one of the leading PEB designers in the region. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of incorporating innovative and sustainable design solutions in their projects. They have a team of highly skilled and qualified designers who are dedicated to delivering top-notch PEB designs that meet the specific requirements of their clients. As PEB designers in Ranchi, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services to their clients. They work closely with their clients to understand their needs and preferences, and then develop customized design solutions that align with their vision. Whether it is designing industrial warehouses, commercial buildings, or institutional structures, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise to handle diverse projects. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design India Pvt Ltd as your PEB designers in Ranchi is their commitment to quality and excellence. They follow a rigorous design process that ensures every detail is thoroughly examined and optimized for maximum efficiency and functionality. Their designs are not only aesthetically pleasing but also structurally sound, ensuring the safety and durability of the building. Moreover, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd keeps up with the latest industry trends and technologies to deliver state-of-the-art PEB designs. They utilize advanced software tools and techniques to create accurate 3D models and simulations, enabling clients to visualize the final outcome before construction begins. This helps in minimizing errors and making necessary modifications early on, saving both time and money. In conclusion, if you are looking for reliable and experienced PEB designers in Ranchi, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the ideal choice. Their commitment to quality, innovative design solutions, and customer satisfaction sets them apart from other design firms in the region. With their expertise and dedication, they have established themselves as one of the leading players in the PEB design industry, accurate and precise 3D scanning solutions tailored to meet your specific needs. Contact SCON Design India Pvt Ltd for top-notch 3D scanning services in Ranchi.